Today we are driving to Nuwara Eliya.
Time to leave, Kandy.
Thank you.
Today where are you going?
To Nuwara
Eliya.
Yeah.
By TukTuk.
Yeah.
Okay, go safe and slow.
Yeah.
Time to pack the tuk-tuk again. Which one goes first? We're all done.
Before we start a longer drive, you always have to check the oil. Let's do that.
Nice, we're good to go. So the infamous train ride here in Sri Lanka goes from Kandy down to Ella, and that's about a 7-hour trip. But since we have the tuk-tuk, we're opting to drive at least most of it anyway. So we're going to drive to Nuwara Eliya, and then we're going to decide from there if we get the train from Nuwara Eliya to Ella, which is approximately 2 hours, and we've been told that is the most beautiful section of the train as well. And our tuk-tuk rental company can bring the tuk-tuk from one train station to the next once we give them 24 hours notice, which is quite ideal. We're almost halfway there now.
It's a very windy road so far. Basically the last 1.5 hours were just like left, right, all around that hill or the mountain over here. And it's cooler, I think.
Yeah, it definitely is cooler, yeah. But we are very thankful for that petrol stop.
Yeah,
I didn't want to know how low we were until after.
we almost went out of gas, or basically almost went to the reserve tank, which is a 1.2 liter tank. But then you have to stop and do the flip a switch, and yeah, they're also not sure if it works. They said they could have some dust, so maybe it's working, maybe it's not. So yeah,
Now we have a full tank and ready for the rest of the journey.
perfect.
These roads are so beautiful, the views are amazing, and they have so many nice little waterfalls even just along the road. And interestingly, they also are filling up some of these waterfalls with like water from pipes. They have like water flowing from pipes directly into these waterfalls. Not really sure why that is. Maybe it helps with the tea or something. We have just been climbing this mountain for so long now that it's actually starting to feel so cold outside. My phone says it's about 20 degrees, but I'm not sure if it's cold or are we just getting used to the 33, 34 degrees, but time for a jumper. We finally made it to our hotel room here in Nuwara Eliya, and this is what 20 euro a night will get you. This is a double room, but it's a very big double room here. You've got a desk with coffee and waters. They also told us let them know whenever we want any more and they'll give it to us. Over here, really big area as well with balcony. Not the best view really, but it does make the room really nice and bright. Back over this way, we do have a TV, which hopefully is also a smart TV. We'll check that out later. We have a place here to hang our coats, and in here is the bathroom. It's a really nice big bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, but it's one of the more modern bathrooms we've had here in Sri Lanka. But for now, we'll go back this way because it's time for the bed test. Oh, it's definitely very soft. I think it'll be really comfortable. Time for lunch. Cider is so hard to come by here. I feel like they don't have much alcohol at all on sale in Sri Lanka, but especially cider. There's like a lime beer, which I think is Sri Lankan beer.
Yeah, right.
But I'm really excited to try these. Let's eat.
Let's do the taste test.
Tasty. How was the food?
The food was very good. I liked it. Yeah, we were very hungry because we just had breakfast and that's in a few hours. So food was perfect.
Yeah, we definitely needed it, and at least it was something different than the usual fried rice we had. But now
Now it's time for the park. Was it Victoria Park?
yeah, Victoria Park here in Nuwara Eliya.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't start raining, but I think it'll be a real nice peaceful walk. It looks beautiful already, so let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy and get some steps in.
They're all so pretty, oh my gosh. They're so colourful. Oh my god, there's more. These ones are red and yellow. Beautiful.
This is Switzerland flower, the blue one. Switzerland name Clematis.
Clematis.
Clematis. Switzerland name Clematis. Flower Astomeria.
Estamere.
Yeah, this flower in Sri Lanka, very popular wedding bouquet.
Ah,
Yeah, wedding bouquet for 6 different colors, wedding bouquet, married people bouquet.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Yes.
it's beautiful.
The flower name Abutilon.
Ah,
Abutilon. This is Sri Lanka flower. This is endemic from Sri Lanka. The name Cariandra mimosa.
ah.
Cariandra mimosa.
Does it smell? No?
No smell, sir.
Ah.
Little bit. You can try.
Oh yeah, just
Little bit.
Just a tiny little bit.
Little bit, yes.
That's so strong, no?
Yeah.